Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Insightly, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Insightly website. Click on the sign up button located in the top right corner of the home page. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Select the type of account you want to create, either a free trial or a paid plan. Once you've completed the form, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Insightly. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Log into your new Insightly account using the credentials you just created. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to complete the setup process. Begin by choosing your business type from the provided drop-down menu. Next, add your company information, including name, address, and website. After filling out your company details, click on Continue. Now, customize your dashboard by selecting the features that best suit your needs. Explore the different modules like contacts, projects, and opportunities. If you have existing data, use the import feature to bring in your contacts, tasks, and projects. To do this, click on the Import option in the Settings menu. Select the type of data you want to import, such as CSV files. Follow the prompts to map your data fields to Insightly's formats. Once imported, review your data for accuracy. Next, set up your user roles and permissions under the Users section in Settings. Add team members by entering their email addresses. Assign roles based on their responsibilities within your organization. To integrate other tools, visit the Integrations section of the Settings menu. Choose the applications you want to connect with Insightly. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete each integration. Once everything is set up, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Experiment with creating new records, such as contacts and projects. Utilize the Help Center or tutorials for additional guidance on specific features. Now that your Insightly account is fully deployed, you're ready to start managing your business more effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.